hello. I'm gonna everyone, I'm not sure it's just with olives. What to check with his mouth. If this beautiful creature is a draft, then it is still growing. It will soon need its own place in the house. Buildings collapsing to dust makes it so peaceful. Give it a try.
Wow! What? My! Wow! So I grew up in Michigan, and
holy cow. There's a bear right here face to face with me.
Get out of there! What the? Whoa! You okay? Holy Jesus Christ! Were you sleeping?
No. What the hell?
It seems to have a real spider sense, not just a reflex. Some people claim that their dog obeys orders, but this bulldog owner is above all. His dog actually obeys the orders of air traffic controllers. It looks like an eye turned a mop into a dog, but it's actually a real dog. The workers of the research station will feel like they are on another planet. What would you call it? This car used to belong to hunters, and maybe their worst punishment is watching this video. Still won't be a problem with the plane, but also a parking violation.
Cables look pretty tight now. Oh!
Firefighters used a model to demonstrate a house fire.
And that may happen. Because you're going to have a lot more BTUs. See that? I'm noticing down there.
And it's an effective visual example.
Backdraft.
Thanks, son. Woo!
That works.
I would like to invent a time machine as soon as possible so that I can send it into the past and see what people will do. It may not be the original production process, but it's still very familiar. It's not safe, but it's very impressive.
Shot one. Little napalm wall. How's that for you?
Радуга. Осындай кемпір қосақ біздің қонақтарды күтіп алды.
I am very proud to present to you the world's only little cat dog. Don't worry, you've already picked up the camera, so it won't hurt you the music. Now, people in Slovenia understand the importance of emergency services, so when drivers hear sirens, they quickly make way and arrive in time to help rescuers. Kudos to them. The man who took the video arrived at a remarkable sight where a large flock of birds was moving in unison.
Ooh! Ooh!
This Chinese firebrand seems to be conquering a world. Dragons are magical creatures, but the skills of those who created them are equally remarkable. Japan is an earthquake-prone region, so it has adapted to earthquakes with advanced technology.